guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm with my good friend Jim here today. He's brought his lovely Cobra down today. Been really excited for this one, guys. You don't see many classic cars on YouTube for the older generation, do you? It's mostly 1,000 horsepower Lamborghinis and stuff like that, you know. Tell me a little bit about the car, Jim.
Right, it's a Gardner Douglas Cobra replica. It's running a Chevy small block.
Yeah.
5.7 litre, stroked out to 6.3.
Wow.
Running,
stroked as well.
Yeah, it's running about 400 horsepower, 420 pounds-foot of torque, and the car weighs about 980 kilos.
Wow, that's really under 1,000 kilos.
Yeah, Gardner Douglas claim with 400 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.8 and 160-ish.
The gearbox, what's that? Who's that?
Tremec 5-speed box.
5-speed box, and you can handle that kind of power.
Yeah, very strong gearbox.
And the drive shafts, are they? Because obviously, you know, that's a lot of torque.
It's Jag XJ6 underpinnings.
Okay.
I haven't had any problems with drive shafts or anything like that. I'm sure anything's breakable, but I haven't yet, and they seem to be pretty reliable.
It's a really clean car. Like, you know, I come from a bit of a classical background with cars, and I've seen many Cobras, but I've never seen one this clean before. It is really clean.
And it's gel coat. It's not paint.
Oh, really?
It is. Okay. Gardner Douglas do them with the polished gel coat.
Oh, okay.
So the car was built in 07.
Yeah.
So the gel coat has stood up very well.
Yeah, definitely. It's really, guys. I don't know if the camera can really catch this, but this car is absolutely immaculate. It is. Like I said, I've seen a lot of Cobras in my day. I've worked with a couple of companies, and this car is, honestly, guys, I hope the camera catches how good it is. It is absolutely clean. How long have you had the car for?
Be 3 years in June. 3
years, okay. Yeah. So you really love it then? Huh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Shame with the weather though, you know.
Well, at least it's not raining.
Yeah, at least it's not, well, we were praying that it wasn't going to rain, because I was pretty sure you didn't have a roof.
It has got a soft top.
Oh, has it?
It's kind of 20 minutes, quarter of an hour, 20 minutes to put it up.
Oh, okay.
And it's a lovely looking roof. It's really well made, but it completely spoils the lines of the car, so I don't like using it.
Big question, Jodie always asks me the same question. How much does the car cost you so far? So if somebody wanted to go out to Gardner and say, I wanted the same spec car, what would they...
Right, if you were buying one factory built by Gardner Douglas now, they tend to prefer using the Chevy LS engines, the newer generation, and you're looking in the region of 65 to 85 grand for a turnkey car. Obviously, building yourself, you can do it cheaper.
Yeah, of course.
But they're not a cheap car.
Yeah.
But they are quality.
Guys, we'll put a link below for these guys. If you're looking out for a classic car, just looking at this car, it's actually really amazing. Now, a lot of you guys don't know, my dad was a car designer and designed his own car, and we worked with a lot of big companies, and I grew up around a lot of classic cars, and like I said, I've never seen such a clean car. Big shout out to the guys that built this car. It is absolutely amazing, and if you guys are in the market for one, we'll definitely put a link below, and yeah, help you guys out. So you enjoy it then? So you really love it?
Oh, yeah.
You plan on keeping it for the future?
Oh yeah.
Son, kids, granddaughters?
I've got no view of not owning it.
Modifications later on? You got any plans for it later on?
Nothing particular. This winter, just a couple of weeks ago, I finished doing Edelbrock multi-point fuel injection conversion. Oh, okay. So it includes inlet manifold, throttle body, adding an ECU, distributor. It's got injector per cylinder. Some of the fuel injection conversions, they're a throttle body with the injectors built in, but this has got fuel rails and one per cylinder. Wow, okay, that's really great. It like I said, I can't stress how great this car really is. Guys, we're going to go out for a little drive in it. We're going to have a look. I'm sure he's happy to take us out in it. And we'll see you guys on the road.
we've got no roof, but hopefully the sound will be okay, guys. But yeah, let's go, Jim, I think. So guys, first impression, if you can still hear me over the thing, it's quite a nice car to sit in. I'm quite a big guy, I'm 6'2", and yeah, it sounds amazing. So yeah, that VA, honestly guys, that VA is absolutely amazing. Like, it sounds so good, doesn't it? That's quite nice. It's like, you know, you can just drive it, you can cruise quite well in it, can't you? You know, it's not clunky or anything like that, man. So yeah, guys, like I said, I'm quite a big guy, and I fit quite snug in it, to be fair. Obviously, I'm wearing quite a big puffer jacket today, but you know, for me, you know, as I said, I'm quite a big guy, and I fit quite well in it. Just gonna do some shots.
What way we going?
Just go straight over and then back down again. I mean, today's not the greatest day for filming, obviously, because it's, but at least, you know, it's not raining, eh? Do you drive the car often? Do you take it out often?
As much as I can.
As much as you can. It's hard with the weather, isn't it? The torque, guys, honestly, like the torque it's just instant. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the sound. Oh my god, it's absolutely amazing. It just literally picks you back. Very linear, isn't it? Very linear much right now. The sound is probably, it's very really hard to hear us. Both the exhaust and the wing, as I keep mentioning. But in general, for a car, how old is this car, would you say? 2007. So the car was built in 2007, and if you get most 2007 cars, they're probably not as clean as this. Obviously you haven't got your like radio and stuff like that. No radio. You need the exhaust. Definitely. Yeah, so for a car that's, you know, over 10 years old, it's a really, really clean car. It's really comfortable. This leather, guys, as you can see, it is really, really, really nice. I mean, even the floor mats, as you can see, it's really, really great. If you're looking for a kit car, Cobras are really, really good cars. And they make good track though. You ever take them on the track?
I haven't.
No, too risky.
I'd have to find a track with a very lenient view on sound.
Ah, right, yeah. So I suppose it's over like the 100 decibels or something.
Yeah.
We could probably just, yeah. That V8 is absolutely spot on. Absolutely amazing. How many of you guys want to go buy a V8 right now? Let me know. Put a comment below. Wow, it is, here we go, guys. So yeah, it's a very linear power, isn't it? Does it make you bring out the engine or anything like that to show you how linear it was?
Yeah, making 300 horsepower at 4,000 RPM.
Wow.
And it's making just under 400 pounds.
If you guys want to see more classical cars, because like I said, you don't see many of them on YouTube these days. I know there's a couple of channels that do a few, but not many really. It's always crazy powered supercars. Guys, if you really like this, give us a like, a share, and a subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so we can get you some more cool content and get you some more cool cars like Jim's car right here. Like, thank you very much for bringing it down to us. I really appreciate it. So yeah, guys, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and share, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Bye.